Hello, today we will learn how to make beautiful flowers in Illustrator. First of all, draw a hexagon and align it to center horizontally and vertically. Now click on Effect menu and click on Distort and Transform option and select Pucker and Bloat. Set the value to 120, check Preview, and click OK. Now click Object menu and select Expand Appearance option and change the color of flower to Radial Gradient. Now make copy of flower in front. Resize it to the center with Shift plus Alt. And change its color. Select both flowers and click on Object menu and select Blend and click on Make option. Click again on Object menu and click Blend and select Blend options. Select Specified Steps option from drop-down menu and set value to 30 and click OK. It will blend both flowers perfectly. Now click Object menu and expand the flower. For background, draw a rectangle of 1000 by 1000 pixels. And change its color, arrange it to back and align it. You can make beautiful flowers with Blend tool easily and quickly. Please subscribe my channel and don't forget to like and share my video.